Hello, this is a reflection of my internship. My name is Gail Lee, and this is my internship I did through BYU Idaho. And my internship is based on web page design and development. This internship was done during hard times. My internship was a little different because of COVID-19. First of all, I was to find a place that I could host that I could do my internship. I called several places and companies, and because of COVID-19 pandemic, this is all I got. No. Several no's. So now what was I going to do? Plan B was my next step. Asking people I knew if they knew of any place I could do an internship. And a suggestion was made. There was a company that someone knew wanted to do some online sales and make an online store for their website. So I contacted them, and they said yes. So I submitted a plan, and it was approved through BYU Idaho for a modified internship. So what happened next? I had a meeting with the owner to discuss the website proposal and see what kinds of things they would need. So I created a plan, and this was what the plan I created. I asked them what color schemes they wanted to use, so we developed a color scheme. I created a new logo, spent time creating several logos, and let the client choose the one. You'll see that as we get into the website. I asked them what navigation bar they may need, so we came up with home, instrument, accessories, rentals, repairs, about, and a contact page. These are all pages that need to be put into the website. And new information would need to be put on each site, because some of these were new and some were ones they had, but it just needed to be updated because what they had was old. So I began an extensive search researching competitors, trying to see what kinds of things they included on their page and what kind of store pages they had and what details they put, so we could put that type of thing into the pages. What did I learn from this experience is lots of research had to be done, and a lot of my time was looking at competitor sites and music dealer sites and trying to gain information that I could from the sites to create pages. So as I investigated the competitors, I was able to see what they were doing. Also, photos had to be taken to display the product. And this was a learning curve. I realized that some photos looked good, some didn't. So we have to do more photos to get the website looking better. A cart had to be made for people to shop so they could do a checkout and be able to get the items they want. So I had several discussions with the owner and had to give reassurance. After about 3 or 4 weeks into my coding and getting things into the website, the owner had a few reservations. He didn't know if he really wanted to do a store. He didn't want to put prices out there. He was afraid of what the competitor might think or do. And I said to him, don't worry about the competitor. You need to get your stuff out there and make a plan so you can sell and be a online seller. And he agreed. So as I put the plan forward, I had to have patience, which allowed the owner to see how the site would work. New information was put in to make the site work. So if I could do something different, I, of course, like this little photo here, picture. If a plan A doesn't work, the alphabet has 25 more letters. Stay cool. So if one plan didn't work, I'd have to go to another. And after giving this question a lot of thought and consideration, my answer is nothing. I think the website now looks great. I think it turned out good. And hopefully the business owner will make dollars for the business. If needed, I would have produced another plan to make it work. But thank goodness this didn't have to happen. What I enjoyed about my internship was I enjoyed making the website for Rockford Music and seeing my efforts come to life. I also started with a portfolio website with several of my work posted into it, including my internship project, and I worked on some PHP data to make a site in another database site. So each of these gave me more experience that I can use when I create my own business, which is my dream and goal that I have for myself. So here are some examples of what I did. I have the Rockford Music Internship. I have my database and portfolio. So let's go take a look at these. So I'm going to go down here and bring up the internet. So here's first the Rockford Music website. It's rockfordmusic.com. Here's the logo I created. The owner liked it, and so we added it to the page. And then I had those pages we talked about earlier, home all the way through contact. And then the first page had a lot of just information with photos and information, business hours, where he's located. These are all located on this page. What I really feel proud about is the instrument page that actually has what he has for sale. The first instrument page, of course, just tells what he has for sale. And then I broke them down into brass, woodwind, string, percussion. Let's look at percussion here, for example. As it goes in, it shows the percussion things he has for sale. And let's say I wanted to buy a tambourine, I could click on Add to Cart. And here it says I have two because I did it before. So if I take one off, I'll buy one. Just have two. That's why it allows to go to two. And then I can view the cart. So it goes in and shows the cart that's there. There's one tambourine, and the person then can check out, and it will take them to a secure checkout. We also have accessories. It gives some accessories pages. They have rentals, what a rental is, repairs, how repairs are done, an about page about the company, and contact. So this was my main effort in my internship. We had some power outages where I couldn't really get information from the company, so I worked on some other things, and so that was developing a portfolio page. So I developed this portfolio page that shows some of the projects, some class things that I did, has a website that I built, and then the Rockford Music on here. So if I go to one of the others, you saw the Rockford Music. Let's look at the Sunflower Catering. Sunflower Catering, has a logo that I built and put in information on top. And so this is kind of a way to look at things. I also did a warmers page where I sell Scentsy products, and I wanted to have pictures of things that I have in stock. And so how I did that is through using PHP through localhost, and then I have the categories in inventory here, so I made an inventory page with all the inventory. So this is something that's ongoing for me. I'm really excited. I feel the internship gave me lots of ways to utilize my skills and my talents, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity I had of being able to put these things together. Thank you.